Cold open. Ever wonder about those blinking lights on an airplane? Today, we unravel this fascinating mystery. First, the strobe lights. Found on the wingtips, they flash white light to make the plane visible in the inky blackness of the sky. Next, we have the red and green navigation lights. These indicate the plane's direction. Green on the right, red on the left. Ever seen a red light on the bottom of the plane? That's the beacon light, warning ground crew that the engines are running. Lastly, the white lights on the wings and tail, called anti-collision lights. They blink to make the plane visible from any angle. Intriguing, isn't it? Airplane lights, a language of their own. Now you're in the know. Remember, knowledge is the key to curiosity. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning.